everyone, this is my second video on the Transom. Yesterday I cut it out, get everything measured and sanded down so it's looking good. And today I need to put it together. I need to glue it together and I need to hold it together because I don't have vices this big. So I have a lot of vices, but not this kind. So anyways, I figured out a few ways of doing it. So now I'm gonna glue it and screw it. All right. So to start with, I have some glue here. Where did I put the glue? Anybody see the glue gun? Here it is. So I'm going to put some glue on the edge of my spatula. To do, I don't have a way to brace them, so I already screwed some little blocks in on that side. You can see right there and right there, and I'm going to do the same over here. I'm going to make sure everything is tight and how I want it, and once it's tight, take this and screw it in on this side. If I do it right over here, this is where the frame is. And one more over here. And there you have it. It should dry that way. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now. Try not to lose a finger.